Welcome to the Poppins Art Attack.
But one monkey jumping on the bed, one fell and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Aww.
One little monkey jumping on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, now put those monkeys back to bed.
Now let's create those monkeys. Little Poppins Art Attack. Today we're doing the song based on the 5 little monkeys. The craft made from recycled products like paper cutout of monkeys right there and some popsicle sticks. We also used one of these parts.
Yeah, this is actually a thermocol in store. There are a lot of these vegetable herbs that will be kept in such trays. I've just reused one of the clean ones. And what have we done on the back side of it?
A bed with
Yeah.
2 pillows.
We've drawn
5 little monkeys.
We've drawn some bed on the thermocol and we've made holes so that these popsicle sticks can fit in. And this is just a doctor's clinic that we had in one of the storybook magazines. Are you ready to do the rhyme?
Yes.
Wanna arrange them?
Yes.
Yeah.
Rhyme time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There are 5 monkeys. A little monkey jumping off the bed. One fell up and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
1, 2, 3, 4. One little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. And now there are 3 monkeys. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Aww. Now there are 2 more monkeys.
1, 2. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Aww. Now there are 1 more monkey. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell up and bumped his head. Ouch! Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Aww. A little monkey jumping on the bed. Mom was sad and fell off the bed because she was jumping, thinking of them. They were bad.
Mommy.
Go, monkey, back to the bed.
Good.
Put those monkeys back to the bed. You are real bad monkeys. We're on timeout. Just sleep now. I'm gonna sleep.
Yeah!
Guys, if you liked our rhyme, give us a thumbs up. Wait, who a thumbs up? Do we have a channel?
No, we don't!
Yes, someone's viewing us.
Going back to Daddy!
Good night, everyone. And you, Mama. Get well soon. And make sure you monkeys never ever jump. Bye, guys. If you like this rhyme, give a thumbs up. For more, click down below and say, please would you like make more puppets for us? We will do it. Bye.